What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I am joined by Austin, the 2k winner. Promised him I'll take him out fishing. We are out at Thabos Dam up here in Bronkies. We've started the morning. It's only 9 o'clock now. Early morning was very windy and stuff, so we decided not to leave so early, but it's turned out nice. It's very cloudy, but I'm sure this is going to be awesome fishing. So keep watching, and hope we can get you guys some big uns in this episode. Sweet. Nice lot. Yeah. Nah. Six, 700. Just got a little belly on him.
First fish.
Oh, broke the ice.
Yep.
Quick little photo eat. Catch, kiss, release. That fish I caught, as it landed in the water.
Landed on his little...
Yeah. My advice to you, get better line. I mean, I snapped that way too easily, dude. Yeah. Way too easily. It's not like I forced it, and you know. Yeah. And in rocks like this, and you get hooked, you're not gonna get it out. It's just gonna snap. Yeah. I mean, your last thing you want is to lose your PB.
And it's only 6.8, eh?
It's still a good PB, bro.
And guess where it was?
I don't know. Oh, is it? Yeah. Nice. You must definitely throw your white spinnerbait now, especially, you know, like amongst these reeds, throw it into a gap like that and a slow roll it, like I was doing with the chatterbait. Yeah. They love spinnerbait. Is yours just white?
Yeah, just white.
Well, it still will do, yeah. In the grass. Decent. Yeah. Oh. Especially with that line. See? Told you they're boxers though. What the hell? Why is my line in here? How did I get my line entangled with yours? There you go. Nah, it's cool. Yeah. Yeah, small. How yellow it is. I was right on the edge in these reeds. Yeah, why not? It's not that big, but it's a fighter. On the trailer hook.
On the trailer.
That's my better fish. Probably also about a 700.
Yeah.
Hey, pushing at 8, hey? Okay. For the video. Awesome fishy. Well done, dude.
Thank you. Put me on this.
Sure. That was the day. I apologize in advance. One of my SD cards was corrupt and I lost a bit of footage of the day. So the outro and a few other catches that we had before the end of the day. It happens, what can I do? We caught mainly on the spinnerbait and Mojo rig setup. Well, that's what I caught on. And yeah, it's always a fun day there, even if it's small fish. We just didn't get to find that big fish. Anyways, hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and cop some merch if you want some. Yeah!